That's crazy. Look at all these Legos.
So I'm going to be trying to organize all these Legos and put them into correct bins. Avalanche of Legos. Ow! That hurts.
That's not all though. I got a full another box. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That's a lot of Lego.
Okay guys, this is an update on the Lego process. So, as you can see, I'm organizing it by piece. So like, instead of by color, I'm doing it by, you know, what kind of piece it is. But I figured I'm gonna end up running out of these shelves. So, I'm gonna make my own shelves out of cardboard. So I have these Lego boxes, and I'm going to cut them into little containers and then put them in these drawers. And I have 4 of them, so it'll be like a little modular. I don't know how many will be in one. As you can see, I've turned those cardboard boxes into little small boxes. So these will be great for organizing pieces. I'm gonna make a crap ton of them.
Hey guys.
And then, so it's been a little while since I've last filmed, but I've organized most of these Legos. So I got them by piece. This is a ton of Legos. I filled up this whole. Yeah, I still got all those Legos to sort out, but I'm just gonna not worry about it right now. It's a crap ton of Legos. But yeah, got this thing. This has all of our brick separators, windows, plane pieces. These are Technic pieces, gears and stuff. So yeah, Lego weapons. Yeah, I pretty much organized everything I needed. So whenever I go to build something, I'll be like, oh, okay, windows are right there. Like, I don't need pieces like that. Who's gonna want to build something out of that? So, yeah. This is my organizing video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.